The WeFone WF11, ready for flight. The WeFone WF11, front LED lights, flies at the beach, parks, hovers. Speeds, medium, high, and low. This is high speed. A close-up shot to the camera. The drone does flips by hitting the buttons. Headless mode. If the drone ever crashes, it will shut off automatically. And the next time ready to fly, place down on the table or the floor and recalibrate. Takeoff is going down on the joysticks, opposite, up and out. When you get flashes in the lights, low voltage cutoff will be coming. The drone has altitude hold. It has a camera that's adjustable. It has a distance, a radius. Time to come in and land. Drone for all ages, foldable, prop guards removable, remote control. On and off button in the back and on the remote control. Removable propellers. Foldable drone, as easy as 1, 2, 3. Fits into a nice carrying case. Compact in size. The WF11 by WeFone. You're looking to get a beginner's drone? The WF11 by WeFone. Hand gesture, waypoints, headless mode, flips, 3 speeds indoor and outdoor with LED light in the front and the rear. We're going to show you in the video how nicely it flew, and we're going to show you over here what you get and how to set up. With a full run time of 22 minutes, 11 minutes per battery, 800 milliamps, 60 minutes to charge with a dedicated USB-A and DIN plug. Simply grab the battery, find in the center the plug, and plug in. With an optional power bank or brick, simply plug into the charger and off you go. This will light up in red and turn green when fully charged. 0.8 amps or less will be the charging amperage. You have instructions, information, the application to download the app. You have the drone. If you open up from the back, the 2 landing gears, and then the 2 fronts, it's the size of your hand. These are your front with the landing gear with 2 white LEDs and a green and red light in the back. You have a camera that's manually adjustable, 2 rubber feet, the altitude hold, your on and off button, brushed motors. You have prop guards. The angle faces up, 2 notches simply line underneath and push up. As you push up, it snaps into place and locks into place. When need to remove, simply push away and off they come. You're given the precision screwdrivers. You got prop A's and prop B's and a set of prop A and B for one of the blade change outs. Simply grab the prop that needs to come off, unscrew, and remove. To place back on, simply grab. With the extra screws given, you can replace the existing screw or leave in and lock down. Going over the remote control, optional 3 AA batteries. You have on the front top your speed, low, medium, high, your circle mode, your flip mode, your headless mode. You have your camera and photo, emergency land, your trim, takeoff and land. Your phone cradle for a nice large phone. Operating the drone, placing in the battery with the notch facing up, snap into place, lock in. Turn on the transmitter first, then the drone second. The drone is flashing up and down, into green, paired. To calibrate, down and in. Every time you start the drone, pair, calibrate, and fly is down and opposite. Up and down. Down shuts off. When flying, emergency landing, drone shuts off. Every crash, recalibrate, ready to fly. When the transmitter is low, it blinks telling you change battery. And when drone is low, BEC cutoff, the lights will flash once, twice, and cut off and come down and land in its spot. We're going to set up the application for the drone. Open up the WF app, sign in, log in, and we're ready to use our drone. In order to start flying, we need to set up our drone. We need to turn on our transmitter, turn on our drone, and we need to pair our drone up and down. We need to shut the application off and open up the settings. We need to go into the Wi-Fi account and look for WeFone FPV and a serial number and check. Once everything is set up, close down the settings, reopen up the application, start flying. As we lift the drone up, you can see the wall and the table. You can adjust the camera to your liking. And then you can simply use the controls to operate your drone. The transmitter and the drone and the application. We have an off and on, an up, a couple of buttons here, hand gesture, take photos and videos, waypoints by clicking on the waypoints and drawing, and compass mode. You can change from photos to video and record. Look at the camera album, and you have a red octagon over here. A switch on top, your headless mode, VR, glasses, speed, and more. The WF11, portable, lightweight, small drone, mini drone, foldable, anywhere imaginable to fly. Indoors, outdoors, have fun flying with your WF11 by WeFone. Check online for further details if this drone is something that you are looking for in a drone.